In this math tutorial, we'll be having a look at the BODMAS dilemma. And what I mean with BODMAS dilemma is that sometimes when we use the order of operations exactly, we get two different outcomes. So we're going to have a look at some examples where we can possibly get two different outcomes and then which outcome is in fact correct. Just to recap, BODMAS refers to the order in which a math calculation is completed. In terms of BODMAS, it's brackets first, followed by orders, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In our first example, we are going to calculate 2 minus 3 plus 1. Now, if we follow BODMAS exactly, we know we must first add. So we need to add 3 plus 1 together. If we do that, we're going to get to 2 minus 4 because 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 2 minus 4. And finally, we do subtraction. 2 minus 4 yields minus 2. Alternatively, if we do not follow BODMAS, but we just add and subtract from left to right, we are going to get 2 minus 3, which will be minus 1, plus 1. So it's left to right, giving addition and subtraction equal priority. And we are going to get to 0. So which answer is correct then? Minus 2 or 0? The correct answer is in fact 0. We must remember that addition and subtraction has equal priority. And adding first will imply that 3 plus 1 was in fact in brackets to begin with, which is not the case. In our second example, we are going to calculate 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times 2, which is in brackets. So the first thing we need to notice is we have a bracket, so we need to multiply whatever is inside the brackets first, and that's going to yield 4. So now we have 8 divided by 2 times 4. So we did our brackets first with multiplication. Now, if we then complete the bracket, meaning that we multiply the 2 with the bracket, which is 4, we will get 8 divided by 8. So there our bracket is now completed. And then finally we do division, and we are going to get to 1. Alternatively, first we are going to do our brackets first again, multiplying the 2 with the 2 inside the brackets, which will yield 4. So then we have again 8 divided by 2 times 4. Then we are going to first divide 8 by 2. So we're going to say 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then multiply with 4 inside the brackets. So now we've given multiplication and division equal priority, working from left to right, which will yield an answer of 16. So which answer is correct? 1 or 16? The correct answer is in fact 1, because 2 multiplied by 4 in brackets is not the same as saying 2 multiplied by 4. Though division and multiplication also have equal priority, the notation implies the 2 brackets 4, that we need to complete the operations at the brackets first. If you found this video useful, remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might benefit you. Thanks for watching.